The boys are going fishing.
Yes.
So let's see what happens. A little pond hopping, little largemouth bass and brim fishing. So let's see. The rules to fishing, right, is we gotta be careful with where we cast, right?
Yeah.
Want to make sure we don't hook each other, so that's important. We also want to make sure that you guys are both going to learn how to put worms on your own hooks today.
Okay.
That's important, so you got to learn how to do that.
Yep.
Also, we'll learn how to take the fish off the hook if we're catching them, so that's important.
I've done that before.
And other than that, I think it's going to be great.
The last time, I was so mad that I lost it. We could have gotten that.
Yeah, we could.
Like, actually.
You guys just got to set the hook better, you know?
Yeah. Oh wait, but you set it up.
No, I'm going to set up your hook, but you got to set the hook when the fish bites.
Yeah.
You know, when that bobber goes underneath, you got to let them take it and you just pop it up and you'll get them.
Bobber too,
Yeah, bobbers.
I have a bobber on mine already.
Okay, good.
we're trying to get bass.
Yeah, we'll get bass. I'll catch
Any
bass.
kind of fish, as long as it's a good
And brim will be good, yeah. Might need some burgers too. You guys feeling like you want a burger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Burger or steak?
Steak! It's good. It's good weather for fishing
I
right
have
now.
a question.
Okay.
Why can't you just rip out the hook when you're taking off the fish?
Well, I guess you could, but you just want to try to be as cool as possible when it comes to fish, you know. So, do we go straight to the special spot or do we go to a few different spots?
Let's go.
We should go straight.
Straight to the
Yeah.
spot?
Yeah.
Straight to what we call the honey hole.
Let's hope. Me and my dad were watching Meat Eater, was it? No.
Yeah, meat eater.
Yeah, Meat Eater. And then we saw this guy catch this fish, or girl, I forgot which one it was. But when they caught the fish, another small fish. He just
They were
opened
spear
his mouth.
fishing.
Yeah, and then this big fish just opened his mouth, and then a small fish comes out of his mouth.
Yep.
But I lost it.
That.
That was a good one. Oh, man. Wow.
I won.
That was intense. Oh, Bob's loaded one.
Do I do it? No, I
Come on.
don't.
David's got that base.
Bob.
We got one in, but not. Yes. Okay, bring it over here. Let me get you. Yeah, let's go. Go ahead. Nice, good cast, dude. Benaya, when your bobber goes, that's when you know. Nice, good cast.
I literally caught the one that took my horn.
Nice,
Yes!
nice. What happened?
I got another one.
Nice. Okay, David, watch that bobber.
It's a big.
Get him, get him, get him.
That's it.
Yes. Okay, bring it up, bring it up. Yeah, buddy. What'd you get, bro? All right.
That's annoying,
Yeah, I know. Take it off nice and easy. There you go. Everybody's got worms? No, you didn't lose your hook. All right, go ahead. Nice. What happened, bro? All right, watch that anthill behind you.
Mom, what?
You guys are absolutely crushing right now. I'm going after largemouth. I don't know. We'll see. These dudes are having a blast right now. And they are catching fish left and right. The bobbers are crushing so good right now. I think we found a little pocket where they have a nest. So right in this little area here, we keep catching them pretty good. Boys are having a blast. You know, I always struggle with, like, you know, are your kids on video games too much? Are they playing inside too much? And the society we live in today doesn't make you feel like them being outside alone is safe, even in the suburbs. And so trying to be an outdoor dad, an outdoor mom, getting your kids involved in the outdoors is so important. Even if you live in the suburbs of the city, try to find something, you know, because they absolutely do love it. Once you get them outdoors and you get them exploring a little bit and having some fun, it's just so rewarding as a parent. You feel like you're actually succeeding at life, doing something good. So this is awesome. Some of the best memories of my life started right here. Fishing with my grandfather, catching brim, catching carp, catching bass, and just having a blast. And that's what these boys are doing. That's what my girls are doing. They're loving it right now. It's awesome. And it's so cold in Florida right now. I'm freezing my butt off like a dummy. But you're making memories, and that's what counts. Man, this is where it starts. This is just so great. Two cousins fishing a pond, catching brim, hooting and hollering, cheering each other on. They love it. They're doing great. Oh, this is so good. Just Zebco push button fools just crushing it. All right, let's see if I can get this going here. Oh yeah, nice. So I'm running this KastKing Zypher. I got this last year. It's a really light, small spool bait caster. I really like this thing. My go-to is a lightning rod. Love the Berkley lightning rod. So I'm just out here with some braided line, pitching a worm. The boys are running Zebcos with bobbers, and they're running real worms, trying to catch brim. It's slowed down a little bit, but they're still having a blast working the edges of the pond. So that's awesome. Just two buddies. Two buddies on the water. We got about almost 2 hours left of light. Probably take them for burgers afterwards, but this is the best, man. This is where it's all about. Still no nibbles, though. They're just working the edge. Be careful, watch that limb overhead. Put it in. Go ahead, Benaiah, put it in there. Just watch the branch over your head. You got it. Go to the side. Pitch it in. Yep. Try to get, I'd move over to the right a little bit. David, give me a cast. Show me. Oh, there it is. Okay, Benaiah, your turn. Whoa. Oh, sweetness. Very nice. Yep. He's doing what you think he's doing. He's taking a pee break.
This one's dead.
It's awesome, dude.
This is the 15th one.
One thing that I'm learning is that when you're fishing or hunting with your kids, it ain't about you. I wasn't taught that, but I've learned it. Having my kids out here, they're just so focused on what they want to do and how they want to explore. And that's great, you know? But it ain't about you, man. If you don't catch any fish, if you don't shoot something, it's about the kids. It's about them experiencing, exploring. These two are dying to just come to the other side of the pond. And it's like they're exploring a completely different island or something. It's really cool. But that leaves me like, you know, running around, getting the poles, you know, getting things untangled, getting the fish bucket, you know, and it's fun. I'm having a great time, but you stay busy, you know. You stay busy because they're just constantly moving around and going, touching fish. This one wants to hold the fish. This one wants to cast. And it's windy as crap out here. It's great, but it's work. And just like that, I'm picking everything up. And we got one on the hook. So I'm rushing over. These boys got to learn how to take these things off themselves. We're running out of light. Oh, that's a good one.
I pulled like this.
Yeah, that's a good one. Nothing? You guys should come back over on this side. Don't get tangled up. We got a tangle. We got a tangle? Okay, hold on. We got a tangle, folks. Well, that concludes the evening. The boys got too cold and they gave up. Now I'm going to get them some food and go home and clean these fish so that we can have a fish fry. Probably this weekend, not tonight. But it's important that the kids get to not only catch fish, but learn the cleaning process and then the meal. So from fishing, harvesting, to dinner plate. That's what we're working on. So really proud of them. They did great. I think we caught like 13. We'll see the official number when we get home. And it was great. All right. So how'd it go?
Good.
How many did we catch?
15 or more.
15 or more.
15 or lower or higher?
What was your favorite part of the evening?
Where me and David got tangled up and it was hard to get out of it.
Yeah.
That was nuts.
My least favorite is my bobber going down on a tree.
We lost the bobber to a tree. That did happen.
And I still see it.
You guys are pretty cold, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it got pretty cold. Anyway. Well, the evening's haul, I think they ended up with about 16. So we're going to clean them all off, gut them, dehead them, scale them. I'm freezing my butt off, so I'm going to get to work.